two different types of people. So we have the Christians who look at the world, and we say, look at the world, it was created by a God. However, we have another type of person who says, look at the world. They say, they say look at what the Big Bang was able to produce with no designer. So what we essentially have is two people looking at the same world, and they come to two different conclusions. I'll give you an example of this. So, I don't know if this is a true story, but there was a man that thought he was dead, for example. This man had a wife, he had a family and everything. He was alive, of course, but he thought in his mindset he was dead. That was his worldview. I'm a dead person. So his wife said that, can a dead person drive a car? So he would drive a car, and he was like, yeah, I can drive a car, but I'm still dead. Can a dead person walk, for example? He thinks he's dead, so he's walking, but he still thinks he's dead. So his wife got a bit bored, basically, and she tried everything she could. So what she did was she took him to a doctor. Now, the doctor said that, I'm going to show you that you are alive. So the doctor said that, ask the guy, what can a dead person not do that an alive person can do? And he said that people who are alive can bleed, a dead person can't bleed. So the doctor took a needle, pricked him on his arm, and obviously blood started coming out. So what do you think the dead man said at that point?
His faith.
Incorrect. He said that, I guess dead people do bleed. Do you get the premise? Essentially what I'm trying to say is your worldview shapes how you look at the world. So it's not about the evidence. The doctor gave him solid evidence, yet the evidence didn't change his worldview. His worldview was that he was dead and nothing was going to change that. Some people's worldview in the world is that there's no creator, that Jesus isn't real. And that no amount of evidence is going to change their mindset. So this is why in apologetics, what we do is we aim at the foundation and we aim at people's worldview, challenge their worldview, and then the evidence will shape around that.